our tank actually lift, we need to apply two forces. The first force, my left hand, opposes the normal force, and this allows the motor to have something to brace against in rough terms. And while the first force, my left hand, is bracing against the normal force, the second force generates the lift required. I've pieced together a very rough demonstration to show that it is possible to both brace and lift the entire tank at the same time. So imagine, if you will, that this member here is going to be driven by some motor, and as this piece rotates, it does two things. First of all, as it rotates, we're going to say in this direction, it pushes down on this member while simultaneously pushing up on this lever, on this member. So when you do that, rotating this piece, this one can't go anywhere, but because this one has freedom of movement, the entire thing is able to lift. So all I've done here is just rotated this member. So again, if I, sorry for the roughness, but if I rotate this piece, it lifts. Pretty well defines the problem for our ME154 project. We need a mechanism that can be rotated so that it actually lifts, but the problem is that in order for it to lift, at one point in time during the rotation, it needs to be fixed to the tank. It can't lift the tank unless it's fixed to both the tank and to the scissor lift, creating equal and opposing motion, equal and opposing forces, right? The challenge then is that once the tank lifts, it has to be able to move forward independently of the scissor lift. So therein lies the challenge.